Today I'm going to be trying Chick-fil-A's new spicy grilled chicken and key lime lemonade. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Woo! Shoot, with the Colby Jack cheese and the cilantro lime dressing. Let's see how it tastes. Let's try it first without the creamy lime sauce. That's good. Got a little kick. All right, let's try it with the cilantro lime dressing. Wow. Bite. One more bite. I had to. Wow. So good. Chick-fil-A has a winner with this one. It's your classic grilled chicken breast, but with a kick. It kind of tastes like cayenne. It's got this whole wheat soft bun, and with the creamy lime cilantro sauce, top tier. I give it like a 8.9 out of 10. So good. Now let's try the key lime lemonade. They also have the frosted, but this is the regular. It's good. It's got a slight key lime flavor. Not too sweet. Not too sour. Perfect. I give this a 9 out of 10. Delicious. I give the spicy grilled chicken sandwich and the key lime pie an overall total of 9 out of 10. The sandwich could be a little better. Maybe put like a crunchy element on it or something. I did take the tomatoes off because I prefer no tomatoes. But overall, I would suggest you guys go and try this before it's gone. Delicious. Key lime lemonade is my new favorite. I love it over the regular lemonade. I'll probably get that every time. So, yeah, come by your Chick-fil-A and get it, and make sure you use your app to get your rewards. Love you guys. Bye.